Sa dami-rami ng mga freelancers, ang tanong is paano ka ba maaalala ng mga clients para ikaw ang maging #1 problem solver freelancer at saka go-to market expert nila. And in this video, I'm gonna teach you guys the art of keeping clients coming back to you kahit natapos na yung proyekto. So, kung ready ka na, grab your pen, grab your notebook, and let's get started. So here's the truth. Many freelancers struggle to stay memorable with clients after the project is done, leading to missed work opportunities for ongoing and repeat work. That also leads them to struggling back into the hamster wheel of getting clients, getting new short-term gigs that then sometimes end up not being the most sustainable. So the reason why this exists includes number one, the lack of strategic follow-ups that maintain relationships. So after the project's done, one and done. No more follow-ups, nothing else after that. A big mistake. Second one is the failure to personalize the interactions post-project. So after the interaction's done, again, it's not good enough that you're not sending any follow-ups, but if you do, it's a generic follow-up that lands nowhere or just fizzles out. And then the third one is not leveraging your unique value in order to stand out. Sounds too generic. Again, that doesn't work. But with the right strategies, you can ensure that clients never ever forget you. So let's break it down. So here is the approach I'd like you to take. Nurture, personalize, and engage. Let's unpack it. So number one, nurture. What you want to do is continue to nurture that relationship with the client after the project, even if there's no immediate upcoming project. And when I say nurture, there's a right way and a wrong way of doing this. And unfortunately, I've had this happen to me, is they come out of desperation. I'm undergoing this tragedy or some sort of very emotionally driven need, and I'm desperate for attention or need. That's not gonna work, guys. You nurture the relationship by providing value and offering check-in about how else you can help. So continue following up the right way. That's how you properly nurture. Second is personalize. You want to tailor your communications to reflect the previous work or also to project the upcoming work. So from your previous engagement, you want to analyze and understand what happened and what else is happening, and then give them an idea of what else can happen, doing it again the right way. And then finally, engage. So what you want to do is share insights, content, or something new that could potentially help drive the campaign or project forward. By doing this, you show a commitment to continually improving what you've worked on before, and also showing that you kept them top of mind and you're still thinking about how to improve the initial work you started. So this approach works really well because of a few things. The first one is that it builds a continuous relationship beyond the initial transaction. And that's very important. You either end the relationship or you open up another opportunity for it to continue. The second one is it reinforces your position as an expert who cares about the success of the project. Not just a one and done, one trick pony, but somebody who actually gives a who gives something to the project in order to achieve the goal. And then finally, it keeps you in their thoughts for ongoing or future projects. It might not be the current one you've worked on, but by showing your initiative, it shows that this person is proactive and that maybe we can put them on a different project where somebody like that is needed, giving you another chance, another shot at circling back and extending or getting another retainer, another contract with that client. All right, so by adopting these simple strategies, you can ensure that clients keep you top of mind and that they think of you first when thinking of a project that might need assistance. Okay, let's take it to the real world. Let's say you just finished an engagement with a client and you end it and you say something like, "Thanks for the project, let me know if you need anything else." Stop that. You don't do that. Instead, after ending the project, you can follow up and circle back with the client and say something like, "Hello, Mr. Client. I came across this article that aligns with our last project and I wanted to reach back out. Let me know if it helps helps in any way or sparks any ideas, I'd love to circle back and see how we can implement. Hope everything's going well on your end. Best, your name. With that, instead of being forgotten by the client, you might make the client think or even actually reply, "Hello, name. Thanks for the ideas. We've actually been considering some of these options for the campaign. Would love to circle back." And in this scenario, you were able to turn no opportunity into a single follow-up message that builds a meaningful connection, ensuring that you stay top of mind with the client. All right. So here's my challenge for you. Review your previous client list and then pick 1, 2, or 3 where you can implement the nurture, personalize, and engage framework, and then send them an email. Send them a message, reach back out and see if any of them respond positively, give you another chance, give you another shot of working together on a new project or continuing the current project. And as usual, let us know in the comments below if this helped you out, if this, opened up any ideas for you on how to re-engage clients and actually land another gig, another freelance job from implementing these strategies. Okay, so before you do that, one more thing for you. Have you been performing really well at the job, been crushing your KPIs and targets, and you want to ask for a raise? You want to say, "Hey, I need more cash." If you've ever wondered that but don't know what to do or how to do it, what you want to do is subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell, because in the next video, I'm going to show you how to ask for a rate increase without feeling awkward and doing it with confidence. Because if you're ready to finally get paid what you're worth, that might be the ultimate secret for you. So thanks again for hanging out, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.